tutti, welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today I'm going to make one of those Christmas tree shaped pastries. You've seen them a million times, they're usually made of puff pastry and filled with Nutella, but I'm going to use a short crust pastry for mine and make a filling out of chopped apple, my favourite berry jam and some cinnamon and vanilla essence. I'm going to add some coconut flakes, which apart from tasting great should hopefully absorb any excess moisture and stop the filling from oozing out. And I'm going to brush the finished pastry with some apricot jam for a nice glaze and add more of the coconut flakes to look like snow, and hopefully it will look really pretty and it's one that the kids should enjoy. Actually, you can enjoy making this with the kids. It's a fun kind of craft project, or it should be. I've never made it before, so I've got my fingers crossed that it will turn out well. And if you enjoy this video and enjoy making it, please click the button down below and subscribe and pass on the word to your friends. I'm going to turn the oven on now, and yeah, it's going to take, as I said, about 40 to 45 minutes in all. Let's get started. Let's cook. For today's recipe, you are going to need a roll of short crust pastry, an apple, some berry jam, some apricot jam, coconut flakes, cinnamon, and vanilla essence.